My name's Donnie Willman. I'd like to welcome everyone to the 53rd annual World's Largest Rattlesnake Roundup here in Sweetwater, Texas. This event is a way for us to help control the population of the western diamondback rattlesnake. They bite the livestock, they bite animals, your pets, they'll bite kids, they bite people.
So we went out yesterday and we hired a local member of the JCs to be our rattlesnake guide. And we went out about 5 miles outside of Sweetwater. So it was a lot like fishing, wasn't it?
It's like fishing. You don't know what's going to come out of that hole.
And then you look up and there's a little snake head kind of poking up over the hole, and then you're sneaking up on it with your tongs and you grab it.
Just like fishing, where everybody has a fishing story, this group of boys and us now have a snake story to tell.
When they first come in, they go to the weigh-in area, then they go to the milking pit, and then from here they go to the skinning pit.
Hello, my name is Michael Hurd, and I'm one of the skinners that works in the snake pit. And we go ahead and hang it up. As then if we have it hanging, we go ahead and start from the bottom on the belly right there in the center. I've never feared them. I've always had a respect for a snake and always found them fascinating.
Oh, it's not too good.
A lot of the popular items are the snake heads. We have the wallets for the ladies. These are the rattlesnake balls, only in Texas.
I'm Lainey Wallace, and I'm the 2011 Miss Snake Charmer. Tomorrow I get to skin snakes and chop their heads off, and I'm super excited about it.
Oh, it's been a blast. I mean, it's like a small town dream of everybody's, every girl. Just to skin snakes all the time. It's been a very good experience for all of us, I think.